we checking in. We checking in. We up here at Buck Wild Fest, Shady Side Dragway. Last year, it was Rod turn. Y'all saw his box Chevy, the blue box Chevy, the fender exit. Now it's JT turn. So
yes, sir.
Man, yeah, he was cooking last time. So
we driving this year.
Go ahead and introduce yourself and all of that, and where you're from, and all that good stuff.
Hi, I'm Tyrone Johnson from Perry, Georgia.
All right.
Just like running my car.
Right.
Yes,
so go on, tell us about it, like what years and everything. It looked like an 87.
Yes, sir. You hit it right on the head.
Okay, 87. Okay.
87 Chevrolet Caprice, small block car. Got a 700 R4. We drive the jumpers in anywhere.
Overdrive.
Yes, sir. Built by Height Race. My boy Danny Height, part of BBR racing team. Also, I want to give my boy David Knight a shout out too. He helped me out on some stuff on his car. So just like to have fun, man.
Right. So you still drive this car, right?
Yes, sir. We drive it everywhere.
Driving everywhere. Yes, overdrive transmission here. So what? How long you had the car?
Man, this used to be our family car. Used to be my dad's car, so I was small when we got this car.
Oh, so you rode in this car when you were younger?
Yes, sir.
And now you got on the track doing your thing with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now been the same setup for how many years? I mean, how long you been running setup?
I had this setup in here for probably 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
2 years. Okay. Thinking about changing, or you like it?
I'm gonna leave it like it is, man.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I want to put some rims on it and retire.
Right.
I got the number I want to run today, so I'm happy with it.
Oh, okay. So it's time to retire. Just cruise now. Okay, take it easy. So,
yes, sir.
All right. So what's your plan for today? Just having fun out here, and that's it?
Yeah, I'm finna try this Cutlass right here. I hope you don't beat me too bad.
Okay. We got a nice street Cutlass, y'all.
Yes, sir. That joke is sweet.
Okay. All right. Well, shoot, we're gonna check you out there. Appreciate talking to you.
All righty.
All right.
I'll holler.
Said